Hey, Travis here, and here's 3 reasons why we do open houses. One is we do want neighbors in the neighborhood coming into the open house. Maybe they've been talking about upgrading, but they haven't been serious. But once they come into your house and they fall in love with it, it might change their opinion or their plans and speed up their plans for the future to purchase your home. Second is there might be buyers out there and they specifically haven't looked at this house. They haven't come into it because maybe it's not their style. But now it makes it really easy for them to come into the open house, browse around, feel comfortable within the house, and maybe they'll fall in love with it. And the third reason is because me and my team, we always sell the lifestyle. So here we are up in Newport Heights. So people coming in, hey, maybe they have a young family. Hey, do you guys know about our junior guard program? All the kids in the summertime riding the bikes down the beach with their friends, learning the ways of the water, learning how to be safe in the water, Or hey, how would you like to wake up in the mornings, be able to walk down to Cecibon, go get your favorite cup of coffee? Or hey, get some e-bikes, ride down to the beach, get in the thick of it all, go grab lunch, go grab drinks. Or on those Thursday, Friday evenings around 6 p.m., grab your favorite bottle of wine, head down to Cliff Drive, watch the view, watch the sunset with all your neighbors. Just look out your front door, everybody has a glass of wine, they're walking down the Cliff Drive. So we try to sell the lifestyle and envision that